Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I got some Happy Mail, and I thought I'd share it with you. This Happy Mail comes from the Crotchety Clogger, Mary Ann. So she's packaged it, and look, it's so adorable. I like that. And when you open it up, it's got this cute tissue paper on it, and then she's got her own stickers right there. That's super cute. I like that. And here it is. Get it to sit on here. And I'm going to take it off and show you, but this is what I got. Right here. And here is all her information. A Crotchety Clogger. She's on Etsy, YouTube, and Instagram. So make sure you check her out. She writes you a little note on the back. But what I got was a row counter. It has a clip on the top. Right here. Here. It has a clip on the top. That fingers don't want to work today. Anyway, it's got a clip right there that comes down. And you move these for as you count your rows. There is a thing here that can be used as a stitch marker, and mine is a skelly. Or you can move this back and forth on your row counter to keep your places, and the beads just move up for as you count your rows. And then here is the bottom of my row counter. It's a skelly hand. It's so cool. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, Marion. This is fantastic. So, skelly hand and a skeleton. Perfect for Halloween, guys. That's absolutely perfect for Halloween. I love that, Marion. I think that's fantastic. It's great. You guys should go and check her out. I will leave her channel and her Etsy shop linked in the description box below. And then I got one more thing. I don't need, not that you need to know who they are, but I did during their sale, because it was one of the founders or whatever's birthday. I was able to get another Furls hook. This one is done in the emerald green. The color is not being done justice by the camera, but this is the emerald green color. So I was able to get another Furls Odyssey, and there it is. And I got these stickers on Etsy, so I can mark all my hooks, but even though they are marked on the bottom. But I did get another Furls, so that's great. That's great Happy Meal. I got the Furls actually a few days ago, so I love this row counter. I think it's fantastic. It's awesome. You guys need to go out and check Marianne out. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.